Hey guys, what's up? So I know a lot of people are facing this issue where their ad account gets banned, their business manager get restricted. So I'm going to solve that issue for you guys permanently. I know whenever you start running the ads and after 1 week or two, when the ad account get restricted, the business manager get restricted, you lost your all the motivation and you actually have to start from zero once again. And this issue, I am telling you guys, this issue 99% of the people are facing this kind of issue and they don't know what to do after that. So this on this particular video I'm going to show you how I structure the whole ad account and the business manager, so that even though my ad accounts get disabled, even though my business manager get disabled, I don't lose the data. Okay, and because I don't lose the data, I don't lose the momentum. That's really really important when you run Facebook ads. Okay, so I'm going to show you every single thing which I am using in my agency, and I'm using it for my own clients as well. And that structure is a very unbreakable structure, and because of these structures we are able to scale like stores to 6 figures. Okay, so let's get back to my Miro board and let me show you how I do it. Okay, all right, so I'm on my Miro board and I've made a structure basically just for you guys to see how I am tackling all these issues. Okay, so here this is a basically a flow chart just for you guys to understand how you have to structure the business managers, the ad accounts. So just to make it easier, I've made this flow chart for you guys. Okay, so look at it very very carefully. So first of all, we need three profiles. Okay, I'm saying three Facebook profiles. So one, two, and three profiles. Okay, that's the first thing. So then we need four business managers. Very, very important. So the four business manager is required for us to secure the data. That's really, really important. Okay, so we have we have to we have to have four business managers, and then what my structure says. Let me just talk about that. My structure says you need three profiles, okay? And then you need four business managers. Just we have here one, two, three, and four. And every business manager is going to have different things, okay? So business manager first is going to have backup ad accounts, just the ad accounts. Ad account one, ad account two, ad account three, ad account four, ad account five. Let's just say that's the example here, okay? So either you can have either you can have like two, three ad accounts, or you can have four, five, whatever you can have, but always have multiple different ad accounts. That's very, very important. Okay. Then you need business manager too. And on that business manager, you should be having only and only pixel connected. That's basically your data sets. So you have to create the data set inside the business manager, and that business manager should only be having the data set, nothing else. Okay, not the ad account, not the pages. The third one you should be having is the Facebook pages. So whatever pages you're running the ads with, on that third business manager, you're going to just have the pages, nothing else. Okay. And then you will be having a fourth business manager. Why you need that fourth business manager? It's very, very simple. That fourth business manager is going to have everything together inside it. Okay, so the ad accounts, the multiple different ad accounts you have. So in our case, we have five ad accounts. So I'm going to put those five ad accounts in that fourth business manager. And then the data set, I'm going to have this data set which I've created here. I'm going to share this data set to this business manager as well. Okay, and then page, whatever the page I have made here, I will share that page inside this business manager, the business manager 4. Okay, so the structure says you create you have to have three profiles. Either you can have that profile by your own profile, your family and friends profile. Either you can use that, or you can buy the profile. There are a lot of companies out there who can give you the profiles, so you can have those profiles. Okay, you can pay probably around 50 to $100 to get one profile, something around that. I'm not really sure about the pricing, because it fluctuates a lot according to the demand in the market. but you will have people who can give you the profiles, give you the business manager, give you the ad accounts. Okay. And if you need my plug, just let me know on Instagram. I will help you on that. Okay. But anyways, let's come back to the Miro board. So it says business manager one is having different ad accounts. Business manager two is only having the data set. Business manager three is only having the pages. And the business manager four, you will have everything connected inside it. Okay. So you will share the ad account access to this business manager, share the data set access to this business manager, and the pages access to this business manager 4. Okay. So once you have all these three together on this business manager, the BM4, on BM4 only you will start running the ads. Okay. Now, here's the thing. Let me tell you this. Why we need this structure? It's very, very important. What happens with Facebook is either your business manager will get restricted, either your ad account will get restricted. Most of the time, the ad account get restricted. Either your profile is going to get restricted or your pages is going to get restricted. Okay. Or at maybe at some point, very rare case, your data set can be restricted. Okay. So if that can happen, this BM4 is going to help you on that. Okay. This BM4 is basically a BM where you have different things connected from different business manager. So let's say, for example, if let's say you run the ads on the ad account one, okay, and on the ad account one you're running the ads for a few weeks or so, 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks, maybe a month, and then all of a sudden this ad account get disabled. Okay. So what happens is, if this ad account get disabled, you have alternate ad accounts, but those ad accounts are basically connected here. Okay. So because those ad accounts, the main domain is BM1 for them, is so that it's not going to affect the other ad accounts basically. So in ad account one, you have different things also linked with it. What all things which is linked to it? Data set is also linked and the page is also linked. Okay. Then let's say your ad account get disabled, and that in that ad account you have data set connected, you have page connected. But what is the primary origin for this data set and the Facebook page is the different BMs. Okay. So then if your ad account get disabled, you can plug the ad account to, and you can just share your previous data set, which is obviously the pixel. You can share that with ad account 2, and you can share the Facebook page also to the ad account 2. Okay. Because why? Because your business manager 2, the BM2 and BM3 is still active. That's why. So what you did is you saved your data and also your Facebook page. So the ad account get restricted. Most of the time you will face this issue. The ad account get restricted. You just plug second ad account to the business manager, and you just share your data set to the different business manager, the ad account too, and the page as well to ad account too. Okay. This is first scenario when your ad account get restricted. Then we have a scenario where the business manager itself is going to restrict. So let's say BM4, because you're running the ads on BM4, let's say BM4 is going to get restricted. Okay, unfortunately, then all these things which you have on BM4, these are all here. Ad accounts are here, data set is here, and page is here. So the only thing which you need is a new business manager, and you can, once you have the new business manager, you can simply connect your ad accounts, your data set, and your Facebook page to that BM, new BM, that is basically BM5. Okay. So that is the case when your business manager on which you're running the ads is going to get restricted. So in this case also, your data is safe. Okay. You can just plug a new business manager and you can start running the ads. Make sense? Now, the third scenario is definitely going to be either the page can be one problem, like page can get restricted. If the page can get restricted, you should be having alternate pages for that. Okay. I forget to mention it here, but you can have alternate pages which you can make here, and once one page is get restricted, you can plug the other page here. Okay. It's very simple. Now let's say all these things are good, your ad account is good, your business manager is good, your page is good, somehow your profile get restricted. Okay, so let's say your profile get restricted. That is why we have three different profiles here. Okay, we have one, profile two, and profile three, and all these three profiles are connected to all the business manager. So profile 1, 2, and 3 is connected to BM1, profile 2 is connected to BM2, profile 3 is connected to BM2. Okay, so every profile 1, like all these three profiles will be connected to BM1, all these three profiles will be connected to BM2, and all these three profiles will simultaneously connect to BM3 and BM4 as well. Okay, so in any case, let's say your profile get restricted, you have other profiles which has the access of these business managers. Okay, so this is basically my structure, which I am running for almost like 3 4 years. Previously, I was also facing the same issue. When we started scaling some stores, this issue always happened, and it happens all the time when you start scaling. Okay, you start scaling something, you're doing like probably like $10,000 a day, you're spending around $3 4 thousand a day, and you're unfortunately like these things happen. Like Facebook get very tricky about it. Okay, we all know about it. So this my structure which I have here. This structure going to help you on that. Okay, and it definitely going to help you on scale. Even if your business manager, the ad accounts get disabled, you can still access your data set, you can still access your pages, you can still access everything. Okay, just by having like alternate things here. And what all things in the initial stage you need, these are the things which you need. Okay, so you need three profiles, and you need four business manager, then you need minimum of 2 3 ad accounts. If you're running just one store, that's more than enough. If you're running maybe like just like us, we run like multiple stores. So if you have multiple stores running, so you need to have at least for one store have two, minimum two ad accounts. Okay, one time. So probably like 2 3 ad accounts. If you're just running like one store, then you need one database, data sets, and then you need like one or two Facebook pages. Okay, so these are the things which you need. If you follow this step, okay, if you follow this step, you don't have to worry about your business manager or ad account disability anymore. That's my promise to you. So I hope you like this video. I hope you got some knowledge about it, knowledge about how you can structure everything in the in the terms of business manager and the ad account. And I hope you get some value out of it. All right. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll be talk to you guys soon. Bye bye. Take care.